Here you go. Alright. Cash, sing us Baby Shark. Baby Shark, do 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 do. Baby Shark, do 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 do. Baby Shark. Mommy Shark, do 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 do. Mommy Shark, do 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 do. Mommy Shark. Yes. Alright, Rose. We only need 7 and 28 and 33. Sticky! I need lights and rolls. My name is Shelia. Shelia! Reminds me of Shelia from Heaven Official's Blessing. Yes, Chinese novel, by the way, which I didn't read, but I watched the Donghua. Second line we got Cash. Catch. I see familiar name, Catch. Afsel, hi, hello, welcome new players who just joined today. How are you doing? Congratulations, winners! We got 1,132 winners. Nice!
Oh, how did you do?
Yes. Manifesting for big win, Cash, you can do it, and Mr. Monopoly, please more win. Yes, we are trying our best, we're trying so hard, we're working very hard with Mr. Monopoly. Yes, better close. Right. Wait, what was? Hey Cash, welcome, Virgo! Sounds like merchant. Love your energy, Cash, bingo plus. Thank you. Which country are you from, Cash? I'm from my mom's country. For her belly. Okay, we got 23 for 3 rolls. We got first line, we still need 34 and 36. Hello, Cash, please stop blah 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 and up the last roll, please. I did, darling, listen more carefully. 36, we still need 34. 34. Hi, Cash, love you. Oh, confessions. I love you, Darian. Alright, 34. I'm teasing, doesn't it? Congratulations, winners.
Well,
9
I think I
winners.
did a great job.
Okay, now listen. I will announce game statistics.
What a lovely day for a cruise.
Lovely day for cruise. 5 rolls, 30, 36 x 1 hour, 54 minutes ago for 3 rolls, and for 5 rolls was like 10 minutes ago. Yes. Sing Lose Yourself, Eminem. Lose Yourself. Can you remind me the lyrics? Can you type me down the lyrics? I a bit forgot. Cash, are you in Latvia? No, I'm not from Latvia. I'm from the moon. Let's steal the moon. Minions. Tonight, we're stealing the moon. We need 46 to go to the moon. We got first line. 3 rolls, come on. Can we go to the moon? Let's steal the moon. Guys, who are with me to steal? We got 46, we're stealing the moon today. And we get 2 for my rolls, but we are going for 3 rolls, aren't we? We got 3 lines. Awesome. Yo. Guys, are you just happy to go to steal the moon? Congratulations. Yes, Mr. Monopoly, let's go.
Welcome to the board. Let's do some building. It's time to roll. Follow me. It's time to roll. Let's go! It's time to roll. Onwards. Let's do that again soon.
Ooh la la, congratulations winners. Opa, opa. Betty better open. Well. Yes.
Place
You're
your
welcome.
bets.
Right. Betties are closed. Yo. Let's see what we're getting for this round. Are you drunk, Ash? I got lost in your eyes, so, yeah, maybe. For 5 rolls, we got 10. Okay. Dear ladies and gentlemen, tell me, how are you feeling currently? Ooh, we got 12 for 5 rolls. Ooh, we got 56 for 3 rolls. We still lack some numbers to go on the crease, right? But we stole the moon with 3 rolls. Okay, we got 3 lines. Nice. Yep. Ooh, congratulations, we got 1,093 winners. Amazing.
I really hope that was a good round for you.
It was good, wasn't it? It was. Cash
What
is
card do
climaxing.
you play? Free space or check?
Help you reload your gun. What are we going for? What are we hunting today? Someone new? Reg? Yes, someone new. Welcome to the table. Into a brown color having thing. Make sure to wash your hands before playing. I don't want you to get those hands on the numbers. You know what? There's also getting them. Okay, we got 30 for 5 rolls. We got first and second 3 lines. Yeah. All right, we got 3 lines now. Yup. Congratulations, we got 1,568 winners. Nice.
Are we ready to start again?
Are we, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready? Cause bets are open. What a great name for a host, LOL. Indeed, I agree with you. I think so too. I love my name. Even though a lot of people may comment about it. Especially at my workplace. Roll please, and lines bonus please, cash please, please, please. Please, please, please. Please, please, please. Hi, cash. Some cash, please. You good? Yes, I'm good. For 3 rolls, we need only 11, guys. We still have chances. Come on, it's a heavens number, 11. 111. Actually, 111 is heaven's number. At least that's what my grandmother said. Do you guys believe in heaven's numbers? We're going on another quiz. Wow, congratulations, dear players. Let's go.
Welcome to the board. Let's do some building. time to roll. Great! It's time to roll. Onwards. It's time to roll. Great! Let's do that again soon.